welcome back to Literature with Sasha. If you are a fan of timeless classic and exploring the world of literature, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the life and legacy of one of the greatest writers in history, William Shakespeare. Whether you are a seasoned Shakespeare fan or just starting to explore his work, stick around as we uncover how his plays and sonnets still shape literature today. Let's get started. Introduction. When you think of English literature, one name always stands above the rest. William Shakespeare, often called the Bird of Avon. Shakespeare's work have transcended time and culture, but why is Shakespeare so incredibly significant in English literature? His contribution to English language, his profound grasp of human nature, and his ability to write for all ages have cemented his place as one of the greatest writers to have ever lived. Let's take a deep dive into his life, work, and legacy of this literary giant. Early life of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was born in 1564 in Stratford upon Avon, a small town in England. Growing up in a well-off family, he was likely exposed to both education and culture. From an early age, his father, John Shakespeare, was a glovemaker, and his mother, Mary Arden, came from a family of landowners. Although there's no solid evidence that Shakespeare attended university, he most likely received his schooling at a local grammar school where he would live, have learned Latin, rhetoric, and literature skills that would serve him well in his writing career. Shakespeare began his career in the theatre first as an actor and later as a playwright. By the early 1590s, he had already started making a name for himself. His early work shows his skill at combining story with drama, laying the foundation for his later masterpieces. What truly made Shakespeare a pioneer was his ability to capture human emotions and experiences in a way that resonated deeply with audience both then and now. Shakespeare plays. Shakespeare wrote 39 plays categorized into three main genres: tragedy, comedies, and histories. Tragedies. Shakespeare's tragic work are perhaps the most well known for his plays. These plays often deals with themes of fate, ambition, jealousy, and the complexity of human soul. Some of his most famous tragedies include Hamlet, Macbeth, King Lear, and Othello. These works explore the dark side of human nature and present characters who are deeply flawed and ultimately doomed by their own actions. Comedies. Shakespeare's comedies, on the other hand, are light-hearted and often revolve around themes of love, mistaken identity, and humorous misunderstandings. Some of his most beloved comedies include A Midsummer Night. These plays explore joy, laughter, and importance of love and reconciliation. History. Shakespeare's historical plays, such as Richard III and Henry V, focus on the lives of region of English monarchy. These plays blend historical events with Shakespeare's imagination, offering a view of history that is both entertaining and insightful. Shakespeare's sonnets. Aside from his plays, Shakespeare is also famous for his sonnets. These 154 poems are known for their beauty and exploration of themes such as love, time, beauty, and morality. Shakespeare's sonnets help to solidify the sonnets from a central part of English poetry. The sonnet cycle is deeply personal and emotional, with many poems believed to reflect Shakespeare's thoughts on his experiences with love and relationships. Key themes in the sonnets. One of the most important themes in Shakespeare's sonnet is the passage of time. His sonnets reflect one of the inevitable decay of beauty and the fleeting nature of youth. At the same time, Shakespeare often explores the idea of eternal love and how art can preserve moments that time would otherwise erase. Shakespeare's language and style. Shakespeare's use of language was revolutionary. He often played with words and phrases, creating new expressions that have become ingrained in English language. Phrases like break the ice, wild goose chase, and all the glitter is not gold all came from Shakespeare's pen. His ability to blend poetry with prose allowed him to create a rich tapestry of expression that captivate his audience. Shakespeare influence on English literature is immeasurable. Not only did he expand the vocabulary of the English language, but he also redefined what literature could be. His work are still studied by and performed worldwide, with his exploration of universal themes, love, betrayal, jealousy, and revenge and morality resonating with every generation. Shakespeare's innovative approach to character development and plot structure also set a new standard for storytelling. Writers like Charles Dickens, Jane Austen, and modern playwrights and filmmakers have all drawn inspiration from his works. The Globe Theatre and Shakespeare's legacy. The Globe Theatre, built in 1599, was the venue where many of Shakespeare's plays were performed. The Globe played an important role in his success and the lasting impact of his work. The theatre's design allowed for dynamic interactions between actors and the audience, which gave Shakespeare plays a unique energy and appeal. Today, the legacy of Shakespeare's work can be seen not only in modern theatre but also in films, television, literature, and even advertisement. His characters, lines, and plots have inspired countless adaptations, making him an enduring figure in global culture. Shakespeare's character. One of the defining features of Shakespeare's play is his ability to create deeply complex characters. From the brooding Hamlet to the tragic Othello and the comic Puck, Shakespeare's characters are multidimensional and full of contradiction. These characters feel alive because they embody their complexities of real human beings. The depth of his characterization is a major reason why Shakespeare's works remain relevant and relatable. The Shakespearean era, Elizabethan England. The Shakespeare wrote during time of Queen Elizabeth I and the early years of King James I. This was time of great cultural change and innovation in England. The Elizabethan era saw the rise of the theatre as an art form, and Shakespeare was at the forefront from this movement. His work reflects the social and political issues of his time, offering both a window into the past and timeless insights into human behavior. Shakespeare's cultural impact. Shakespeare's influence extended far beyond the stages. His work have been adapted into countless films, television shows, and even musics. Characters like Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, and Hamlet are deeply ingrained in popular culture. Shakespeare's themes of love, power, and fate continue to captivate modern audience, ensuring that his legacy endures. Controversies surrounded Shakespeare's authorships. Despite his fame, Shakespeare's authorship has been the subject of debate. Some critics have questioned whether Shakespeare, a man from a small town, could have written such complex and sophisticated works. Various theories suggest that other writers such as Sir Francis Bacon and Edward de Vere might have been the true authors of Shakespeare's plays. However, the majority of scholars agree that Shakespeare is indeed the author of the work attributed to him. Conclusion. William Shakespeare's impact on English literature is profound and undeniable. His exploration of human nature, his mastery of language, and his ability to create unforgettable characters have ensured that his work remained relevant and loved centuries after they were written, whether through his plays, sonnets, or his influence on future writers. Shakespeare has left an incredible mark on literature and culture that will last forever. That's all for today's deep dive into the world of Shakespeare's. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode from Literature with Sasha. Keep reading, keep exploring, and remember, great literature is timeless. See you in the next one.